Our world is becoming flat, which making it easier for people and businesses everywhere to connect and compete. In this video, we will be looking deeper into what exactly is making the world so flat. There are 10 key things that really leveled the global playing field. Think of them as 10 powerful forces all working together to create this flatter world. The first one is the Berlin Wall coming down in September 1989. This was a huge moment. It symbolized the end of the Cold War and opened up a lot of new possibilities for trade and communication between East and West. It was like removing a major obstacle to global connection. The second one is the Netscape goes public in 1995. This was a big deal for the internet. Netscape was one of the first popular web browsers, making the internet much more accessible to everyday people. It helped kickstart the dot-com boom and made the web a central part of global communication. Next, the workflow software. This is all about software that lets people work together easily, even if they're in different places. Think email, instant messaging, and online project management tools. This made it much easier for companies to collaborate with partners and outsource work globally. Number 4 is a group of related trends that have made businesses much more global. Open sourcing, sharing software code freely online so anyone can improve it. This has led to powerful software like Linux, created by a global community of developers. Outsourcing, hiring another company to do a specific task, often in a different country. This lets companies focus on what they do best and save money. Offshoring, moving an entire business operation to another country, usually to take advantage of lower costs. Supply chaining, creating complex global networks of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors to make and sell products. The next powerful forces is the informing, the search engines. This is about the power of search engines like Google. Suddenly, finding information on almost any topic became incredibly easy. This democratized access to knowledge and empowered people to learn and explore new ideas. The next powerful forces to supercharge the flattening process is the following technologies. Mobile technologies, smartphones and other mobile devices have made it easier than ever to connect to the internet and communicate with people around the world. The file-sharing platforms that allow people to easily share files online have facilitated collaboration and knowledge sharing. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Technology allows people to make phone calls over the internet, making international calls much cheaper and easier. Number 7 is the fall of the wall and rise of Windows. This refers to the combination of the Berlin Wall falling and the widespread adoption of Windows operating systems. This made personal computers much more accessible and user-friendly, further fueling the growth of the internet and global connectivity. Number 8 is the Netscape public offering and the dot-com boom. This was a period of rapid growth and investment in internet-based businesses. It led to the development of many new technologies and services that have contributed to the flattening of the world. Number 9 is the workflow software and the rise of application programming interfaces, APIs. APIs are like digital connectors that allow different software programs to talk to each other. This has made it much easier for businesses to integrate their systems and collaborate with partners. Number 10 is the informing of everything and the rise of search engines. The widespread availability of information through search engines has transformed how we learn, do business, and interact with the world. These 10 forces working together have created a much more level playing field, where individuals and businesses from all over the world can connect, compete, and collaborate. So, now we have a better understanding of what's making the world flat. But what does this mean for different countries and cultures? How are different societies reacting to these changes? In our next video, where we'll be diving into the concept of the triple convergence and looking at how different societies are responding to the flattening of the world. We'll examine the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for different nations and cultures. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think is the biggest challenge or opportunity that your country or community faces in this flat world? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.